Hi, this is Partha from Mockat. The CAT 2023 results are out and it's time to choose the right MBA college. However, many of us may not be familiar with the admission process of IIMs, CAP rounds, SAP rounds, etc. In the upcoming series, we will look into the selection criteria of the prestigious IIM lackeys. With the total number of 21 IIMs, including the recently added IIM Mumbai, the blackies stand out as top ranked institutions. These blackies are represented by IIM Bangalore, Lucknow, Ahmedabad, Calcutta, Kozhikode, and Indore. You can log on to mockat.com. The link is in the first pinned comment to get more detailed information. In this video, we will look into the selection criteria of IIM Bangalore. The advantages of choosing IIM Bangalore. IIM Bangalore is ranked as one among the top 3 institutes in India. It is established over 50 years. Bangalore serves as Asia's technology hub, which can really help in the placements. IIM Bangalore's alumni have distinguished themselves across the world in leading organizations in the domain of consulting, finance, investment banking, sales and marketing, etc., which can really boost your placement. IIM Bangalore had an average package of 35.31 lakh in the year 2023. In the year of 2023, approximately 40% of students got placed in consulting roles and 14% of the students get placed in management roles. The selection process is based on their past academic performance, CAT score, performance in admission interview, and prior work experience. The selection criteria are usually reviewed every year and revised as necessarily. IIM Bangalore adopts a two-phase selection. First phase is applied for all the candidates who clear the cutoff stated by IIM Bangalore. The second phase is used for the final selection of candidates after personal interview and written ability test. The scores of VAT personal interview and pre-PI scores will be used cumulatively in the second phase to select the candidates for the program. The first shortlist is prepared comprising candidates who have secured a predetermined minimum score on all the sections of CAT 2023. The CAT score is alone used as the basis for arriving the first shortlist. The below provided table is the cutoff for the batch of 2023 to 25 based on CAT 2022. Please take a snapshot of this table if you want to check in the future. In the first phase, for all the candidates in the first shortlist, the weights for the parameters at the pre-PI stage are as follows. The weight assigned for CAT is 55%, 10th board is 10%, 12th board is 10%, bachelor's is 10%, gender diversity is 5%, and work experience is 10%. Please keep in mind that gender diversity component is applicable only for computing the pre-PA score and will not be applicable for the phase 2, which is the final admission process. In the 55 points assigned for CAT, 19 points assigned for the verbal ability and reading comprehension, 21 points are assigned to the data interpretation and logical reasoning section, and 15 points are assigned to the quantitative ability section. The top 10 candidates in each of the following category will automatically get qualified for the personal interview process. Total score in CAT, just the bachelor's score, professional qualification like CA, ICWA, CS, etc. These candidates are given a chance to appear for PI due to their exceptional performance in these categories. For all the candidates in the first shortlist, normalization or standardization in any component stated above is carried out as per the following formula. For all the candidates in the first shortlist, a candidate's percentage score in 10th and 12th board examinations are initially adjusted by dividing each such score by 90th percentile score obtained in that board. The adjusted score is calculated for each of the candidates based on the final score obtained by the candidate in his or her bachelor's degree or professional degree. For the final year bachelor's degree candidates, their incomplete graduation score would be taken in lieu of final graduation score. Please take a note that submission of relevant transcripts is mandatory. For all the candidates in first shortlist, candidates with chartered accountancy, cost accounting, and company secretary certifications are eligible for weightage under the category of professional course. No other professional course is eligible for the weightage under the said category. For the purpose of normalization, the average, standard deviation, and the adjusted score is computed by considering the scores of all the applicants with professional qualification in the first shortlist. The weights assigned for the professional qualification at the pre-PI stage is 10 points. The work experience points are calculated by using the formula 10x by 36, where x is the months of work experience up to July 2023. The candidates who have completed the professional course, the maximum of work experience score or the professional score is considered. The candidates with work experience will be required to produce the following as evidence of work experience for each instance of employment claimed by the candidate: starting date of employment, ending date of their respective employment, positions occupied during employment with that particular employer. In the second or final phase of the interview, the weights for the parameters at the post-PA stage are as follows. Personal interview carries 40 points, VAT carries 10 points, CAT carries 25 points, 10th board carries 5 points, 12th board carries 5 points, bachelor's carries 5 points, and work experience carries 10 points. The 25 points for the CAT are derived from the performance in each of the three sections as follows. VARC carries 8.75 points, DALR carries 10 points, QA carries 6.25 points. Please take a note that work experience weight of 10 points assigned while computing pre-PI score is scaled down to 5 points during the post-PI process to arrive at the composite score. This work experience score will be multiplied by quality of experience score as evaluated by the interviewing panel. The quality of work experience score will be evaluated on a 5-point scale by each member of the panel during the interviews. The average quality of the work experience score will be multiplied with the pre-PA work experience score, and accordingly the work or professional experience component score will be used. The table shows the number of candidates who fill their form under each category and number of candidates who got shortlisted under each category and the number of candidates who got their final offer under each category. For example, under general category, 1,36,207 candidates filled their application form, on which 742 candidates got shortlisted on their first phase and 283 candidates got their final offer. Please take a snapshot of this table if you want for further reference. Please make sure to note that these are based on the past year trends and this can vary this year, but we can expect the trend to be similar this year too. On our YouTube channel, we will be uploading more videos about colleges to which you can apply with various percentile, VAT and PA preparation videos, B school deadlines, shortlisting criteria, news and much more. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Thank you and good luck.